I'm going to show you how to change your color profile in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So all you need to do is look down at the docs where you can see multiple options here. You just need to make sure you find your system settings. If it's not in your docs, you just need to look at the top left where you can see your Apple menu, and system settings is right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once it loads, you need to make sure you find displays. So it should be right below desktop and dock. So right after you tap here, now you can see options like brightness, automatically adjust brightness, true tone, and color profile. Since we're trying to change the color profile, just go ahead and tap on this button, and now you can change it to any color profile you would like. So let's say you want display B3. Just go ahead and tap here, and there you go. You can also choose to customize by tapping there, and now just customize them through here. So there you go. That's how you change color profile on your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.